A foggy body creates a foggy mind, and clarity is our most important tool. So please treat your body as a temple. Go outside, breathe fresh air, eat real food, drink water. When you wake up, have a glass of water. Don't eat chemicals, don't drink them, don't eat too much junk food. And if you do have a pizza or something in a while, fine, that's totally fine. But don't go to these mega chains where they just serve chemicals and not anything which serves you besides your gluttony. Anyway, we are not supposed to eat 3 times a day. Most of us are addicted to food, and it's totally good to fast once in a while. It makes you clean from the inside, and that's what we want. I mean, it's actually really nice to know that you can go a couple of days without eating. Training your body and your mind is the key.